Withdrawing money from Grubhub to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your funds are transferred smoothly. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app. Launch the Grubhub app on your mobile device or visit the Grubhub website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your earnings. Navigate to the earnings section. This can usually be found in the menu or account settings. Here, you will see your total earnings and any pending payments. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. Look for the option to withdraw or transfer funds. Click on this option to initiate the withdrawal process. You may need to select the amount you wish to withdraw. Step 4. Choose your bank account. If you haven't already linked the bank account, you will need to do so at this stage. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account details, ensuring they are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification or email confirming that your funds are being processed. After completing these steps, your money should be on its way to your bank account. Make sure to check your account after a few business days to confirm the transfer has been completed.